Meaning of hug.
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 Hug. A hug is an act of embracing someone tightly in one's arms, usually as a gesture of affection, comfort, or congratulations. It is a physical expression of emotional warmth and can communicate feelings of love, comfort, trust, and support. Hugs can have positive effects on mental health, reducing stress and anxiety levels, lowering blood pressure, and promoting feelings of well-being. They can also be a way to show empathy and compassion to others. Overall, hugs are a simple yet powerful way to convey emotions and connect with others on a deeper level.